Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a poll to a caption on Instagram. So, open Instagram. Go to the below, click on the plus icon. After that, choose your image and go to the upper right corner, click on Next. Then, click on Next. After that, click on Caption. Then click on Poll. Write a caption, and then answers. You can add more answers after clicking this button, and close that one like that. You can delete this, click on Delete. And now click on OK. Then, click on Share. After uploading, click on Caption. Now, you can see a poll has been created in our captions. That's all the way to add a poll to a caption on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.